I'm Phanisha Alexis, and I would love to help you balance your mompreneur life. Are you passionate about being an awesome mother? Passionate about being an awesome entrepreneur? You're probably even a serial entrepreneur. Well, I love to organize and strategize everything. I love balancing everything. I enjoy restoring projects and just making everything as balanced and organized as it can be. So if you are passionate about being an awesome mother and an awesome entrepreneur, but struggling with balancing your life, and you have what I call a Kaizen attitude. So Kaizen is a Syro-Japanese word for continuously improving. If you have a Kaizen attitude and you want help balancing your mompreneurhood, being able to balance home, which is the kids, and business, then I'm here to help you. Look out for my next video with more details.